Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to pin a message here in Basecamp. All right. So first off, log into your Basecamp account. And then once you're in here, go ahead and open up a project where you wanted a message to be pinned, like this one. Click on it. And then in here, just go ahead over to message board. Now, if you can't find a message board in here, just go to the top right, click on three dots, and then set up tools. Click on it and make sure that message board is toggled on, okay? Like so. And then once that's done, go back to your project and finally click on message board. Now, once done, go ahead and find the specific message where you wanted to pin. For example, we have a milestone achieved message right here. I'm just going to go ahead and click on it. And then once done, go to the top right, click on the three dots. And then in here, as you can see, we have the pin option. Just click on it, wait for it to load. And once done, this post is now pinned. So when you go ahead and go to your message board, as you can see, this message is now pinned to the top. Unfortunately, you won't be able to do this on other tools, okay? Even under chat. As you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and type down some more. Then we're going to click on three dots. Pin is not an option. All right. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.